the motion is the allegations are very grievous, and we want to tell the public that we are equal to the process as the assembly, and we are going to ensure that the right thing is done. Thank you.
Maybe Mheshimiwa, to be specific, according to the petition.
The petition was read. I may not be able to specifically read them out because who was the list? The mover is here, so he can be able to.
My name is Honorable Kisii, the MCA for Ichuni Ward, and this morning I've just given a notice of a motion for the removal from office of the Deputy Governor for Kisii County Government of Kenya. Number 2, he has abused his office. Number 3, he has committed crimes under the national law or laws. And number 4, his code of conduct or conduct as a deputy governor is really wanting. So I may not be able to digest much of the accusations because you know this is a process, and we don't want to start to preempt. Let the due process be followed because you know this is a legal issue, and it must follow all the laid down procedures, both in the 2010 Constitution of Kenya and also as per the always pursuant to our standing orders as an assembly. So I may not be able to speak much on the same, but allow the due process take its course.
Thank you, the members of the Fourth Estate. This is Honorable Naftali Nkoba, representing the people of Nyachek Ward. So as you can see, today a notice of motion has been brought before the House, and the notice of the motion is specific on allegations whereby the Deputy Governor has been accused on various grounds. I want to say that as honorable members of the Kisii County Assembly, we shall look at those allegations keenly, and we shall give Honorable Dr. Monda an opportunity to defend himself. Motion yare to assembly. Are you ready? Flip. Siocha Mheshimiwa Ichuni woko murusia office a deputy governor Dr. Motion na barabu mangana buna yanko chare asim saidinga kibago chakere o Mheshimiwa yo kereta before the floor igo ikatoke korere mirum muna kereta
Samarieta ni gongoro ko Mheshimiwa Kisii mono ni goba ko ndangirie mbande ni gonde umu MCA we ward ya Ichuni itiko ria rero nareta emotion yase bikaro bito biekunge ya Kisii County ebyo kumurusio bisio mo deputy governor DR.Robert Monda asengencho akorere bintu bibiri maminja na machikaita Kenya na machikaito aliago turase county yeto ya Kisii. Litangani ndo ndengerenga ndito kwana mangana mange because ya emotion nebuata machikae na kimingo bigo korwo bigo tinde tuko kwana mangana mange asa mangana alia maybe almost mondara abairega gatari siasa no moroberio igana senge nchitete koranga abantu baitongo nyoro bari chi services chile chingia na ndi chitabuatia mangana ya yegento korokango bokoro igo amangana arese emotion igana areta na mangana ataria siasa ritangani na mangana abwena ndeko konya na finance kororanga konyora tule services chingia ne county igo sabakuwa niko chia saba abantu baitu twanjire gose anjire punge ya Kisii County etere motion yane eje debate nande kuruorro abapunge manyoreri bagari gwaka chikura korengana n'ebintu biri nabe nkomibeka ase punge igo n'abantu baitu bagusiba onsi ase mwabeta ene process erenda buse etabwati bwochereri bonde bonsi gose bintu binde byonsi byoborimo igo kere gente kerenga kieraike kera matukari na aruse benyankwera kere binde bigocha connect the public koro omonto nachamanya ng'a ngento kieke omosike Monda akorire kere mamenche neri chiko na onya bapunge baito korwa ase epunge yaito ya Kisii bagoeti ng'a ekemaeno okorora okomocha korengana na evidence eri eranyarekane narure ntosukie step yene kwanda senate na kugamba na senate na kubatai ng'a amagosa yakorekanire tokonye tosibie county igo taringa nese gikorwa ni monto nde bwensi because nje no munyaribari mheshimiwa Monda comes from Nyaribari igo taringa no munyaribari gose monto nande ng'a ninche ngurwani no ekenege twachore tutokore gasi nande bikatokore gasi iri turi kwanjereri monto nde bwensi tabwa kwanjereri bwa injirende yonse so iga abantu baminto anjire process yegende bakomwerio kurworro ntumanya ng'a biri birorro ase motion y'eng'ambito yamono chenda